Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shratanshi and this is my friend Shreya. Today is going to be a very chill video. It was supposed to be a Q&A and then my tripod broke again. So yeah, my setup right now is really funny. We're making brownies and
sponsored by White Wings.
I thought I could answer some questions you guys had because why not? That's pretty much the agenda for this week's video. I'm just gonna answer some questions you guys asked and some really interesting questions that I have been avoiding for a while. So hopefully you guys finally get your answers.
Oh, Shratanshi spilling the...
Oh my god, like... So do you want to introduce yourself? What are you studying? Who are you, Shreya?
Who are we all actually, right?
Please. No, I can't do this.
I'm studying a Bachelor of Computer Science.
I'm doing a biomedical science degree, if you guys were wondering and you did not know who I was. Yeah, we're studying at the same university, but I thought it would be fun to have different perspectives because we're doing different courses. And yeah, Shreya always has a lot to say. So I was like, why not, have her on the channel? Anyways, the first question that I get...
Pause to show the brownie mix.
Oh yeah, amazing. Anyways, so the first question that I get asked is how expensive is living in Melbourne?
Very. Next.
I don't know. I mean, they know I talk about it. It is expensive, obviously. It also depends on your lifestyle. Somewhere.
Are you gonna give figures?
No, I don't like sharing. A lot of people do ask me, oh, what's your exact, budget and stuff. But I'm not gonna put that...
It's personal though.
Yeah, and I feel like if I talk about it, people will come at me oh my god, they'll nitpick every single thing I talk about. That's what they did when I was sharing my rent. No shade to anybody, but
hate to the haters.
No one was hating. I won't talk about my budget, but it depends from person to person. But yes, generally speaking, it is expensive. Eating out sometimes is fine.
Out and then groceries if you're a meat eater.
Yeah. One way you can save money is by cooking most of your meals instead of these are some ways that you could save money. Yeah, shop at Aldi. This is how you save money. Yeah, it's all about self-control because no one's here to tell you don't spend your money on random stuff. You feel oh my god, you have all the free will in the world. What's one thing you didn't expect to be so expensive here?
Public transport.
Oh yeah, it's so expensive, especially in Melbourne, especially because it's not that efficient. I don't know what they're charging us for.
No, look, actually the trains are good.
Yeah, the trams.
But it's still not worth the...
Yeah, you're spending over $10 now. When we'd come here, it was 10, and now it's 10.60. You have to spend $10 a day if you're traveling. But yeah, people who travel regularly, they have concession cards and stuff. So maybe again, that's some way you can save money. Oh yeah, that answers my next question. Do students get discount? Yeah. Is it called Uni Days?
Oh yeah.
I feel this segment everyone's been asking me about.
Who they're waiting for.
Yeah, they're just oh my god, when are you gonna... every single Q&A I put on my Instagram. By the way, I do weekly or fortnightly Q&As on my Instagram, so follow me there. Yeah, these questions are asked really often and I've been putting it off for the longest time because
I wasn't free.
Anyways, now next question is gonna be one of your favorites. You'll have a lot to say for this question.
Me?
Yeah. Is it easy to get a part-time job as an international student? It's not. It really isn't. I want to point it out. It is easy if you have no sort of standards and you've only come here to work.
And I know some people, they kind of have to.
Yeah. No, a lot of people tend to prioritize work.
Coming here to study, guys. Focus on that, I think.
Yes, sometimes, yes, you do have to, as Shreya said, you have to earn. I get that. But at the same time, you have come here on a student visa. Yeah, you do have to study. You have to get the grades.
Don't work for cash.
Yeah, a lot of people do cash jobs here, which is very sketchy.
It's illegal.
And it's a really great way for people to exploit you here, especially
and to get deported.
Filming a YouTube video for my channel. Do you want to say hi?
Hi guys, my name is Astha.
Yeah, we actually just started. We were trying to make...
We've been here for half an hour.
My tripod broke, so that's what we're working with right now. Do you want to come in my video? Do you want to answer a few questions for my channel? Okay, wait, what are you studying though?
I am studying Masters of Business Marketing.
Okay, and how long has it been since you've come here?
It's just been 2 months.
Welcome.
Okay, so right now we're on the segment where we're talking about jobs.
Oh.
Is it? Yeah, that was our reaction. She has
I have work
experience.
experience.
Oh yeah, makes sense.
How much is the average rent for a student in your city?
Where I am staying, it's like 310, but I still feel that I'm paying a lot because my room is comparatively very small and I still have to travel. Please.
They'll attack you. I told them my rent is like 810 a month. It's tough, guys, finding a house. Like, you have to compromise. What are your opinions about on campus?
It's convenient. It's so close to. I still don't go to class. You make friends.
You make friends, plus they are comparatively of your age only.
I mean, I think even I
not in
lucked
a
out.
situation like
Yeah, but it depends. Like, depends on the kind of house you're getting off campus. If someone's nervous about moving abroad, what's your advice to them?
Nervous thing is a good thing. Then you make those decisions which you feel are made by you. You feel confident enough when you are doing things. It's okay. It takes time.
Would you
but it's
suggest
fine.
being cautious?
You have to be, but don't take too much stress about it. Let it go with the flow. Don't think about it too much. Yeah.
The worst part is that you are on your own. Then the best part is that you are on your own.
Thing is, no one knows you. And no one is going to see you again, so it's okay.
Yeah.
If it doesn't click, it doesn't click. Best part, no one judges over here.
Actually, I would say, like, it's a new start. Like, here, I don't think about the way, like, I dress however I want to. Like, I don't know, I just get to express myself without thinking about the fact that, like, oh my god, people are gonna judge me, because here no one really cares. And even if they do, you don't care enough to think about it. You guys, if you have any other questions, comment down below. We can make multiple parts of this. Like, it was really fun, and it'll probably be a short video, but I usually do Q&As on my Instagram. And thank you guys for joining this video.
We'll be happy to join again.
Yes, awesome.
She has to pay me.
Okay, now people are getting ideas. Anyways, I will see you guys later in next week's video. Make sure to comment. Let me know what kind of videos you want to watch as usual. And yep, bye.